What's up guys, Remastered 69 here, and today I have a quick video on how to stop OBS lag. It's a frequent problem for a lot of people, like when you're recording or streaming like I am right now, the audio's choppy or laggy. So I'm gonna help you today and give you all the settings I use. So first thing, open your settings and go to general, copy all of these settings. Pause the video, do whatever you have to do. Just copy all these settings. I have a low-end computer and all these settings make it really good. There you go, just copy all these. Next thing, you know what this is. If you stream, you go get your stream key in Twitch. I'll make a separate video on this, but this doesn't really matter for right now. And if you stream, copy all these settings. The target bitrate depends on your internet speed, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So if you click the link in the description, it'll take you to this, and you gotta test your internet. This will show you how much megabits per second you have. Like for your upload speed, if you have like 10 or higher, you could use 500 or 5,000. If you have like 10 through 5, 3,000 is pretty good. Just do this thing. Alright, so I got 12.16. That's pretty good. So I would use about 2,500 for my bitrate. So just copy all these settings. Go ahead and try that out yourself. Between like 5 and 8, you should use like 2,000. 8 through 12, about 2,500. And anything above that, you can do 3,000 or 5,000. So after you copy these settings for recording, you can copy all these settings. And again, for target bitrate, since I have a 12.16, I'm going to use 5,000 because with recording it doesn't use as much internet as streaming does. So you can go a little higher with this. Just copy all these settings. Next thing, video. The base canvas resolution is just the size of your screen that you're recording on. And the resolution is how much are you going to go 720p or 1080? I'm running 720p on my computer right now because it's not that good, but you can use as much as you think you can. And common FPS values, you should definitely turn this to 30 if you have a low-end computer, because if you use 60, it'll be a lot more laggy than it was at 30. So just use 30. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you later. Peace.